afternoon everybody, and welcome back to another video. Still in Cornwall today, and we've come down to Harlyn Bay. Now apparently Google says this is a very good beach for families to come and enjoy. And I can just see over the hedge behind me is a cafe, and I don't know if you're able to see it, but just down over there there's a bar which currently got a bit of live music on. So let's go and see what this beach is about. So that food joint behind me sells burgers, chips, crepes, coffees, nachos. They've got a fair wide selection of food. And the Beach Box Cafe, which is in front of me, which I'll turn around and show you now, sell a variety of other stuff. So just up by there they've got the Beach Box, which is a bar by the looks of it. And then this one sells, amongst other things, pizza. And I can just see by there as well, they do saunas by the sea, which is a bit like at the site we're staying at the minute. It's a wood-fired hot tub. So this is a pretty amazing beach by the looks. It's a bit windy though, so there won't be any drone here. I do see the RNLI out in force down by the water's edge. An ice cream van, surf hire on the left by there. I'm not going to lie, it's a pain to get to with an awful lot of lanes, but it sure looks worth it. And that's obviously where the RNLI are based, right by there. That's a work of art, that is, Evie.
Thank you.
Right, let's go and show you a bit more of this beach. Looks to be plenty of rock pools up over that side. And there's some more rocks over that side too. And you can get up on top of that hill by there, which I will do shortly to show you the view. The sea is a fair way out on this one, but we'll get there. Absolutely perfect place for surfers. That's a lovely clear blue sea. Cornwall doesn't disappoint when it comes to beaches. All these lovely rocks over by here. Bet there's a fair few rock pools in that side too. There's even the odd couple of caves over there, if you can see them. So as you can see, we're now working our way up the top of that hill. Let's see what we can see from up top. They even provided me a bench as a lookout. It's not quite up the top, we'll have a look over there in a minute. That was a lovely little time-lapse view for you there. I hope you enjoyed that one. So there we go, we're up on the top around the corner, and just look at it. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that water. I've said it before, but you could be absolutely anywhere on earth with water like that. So there we go guys, what do you think of this place? I thoroughly recommend it. For me, it's the perfect strike between commercialised and not. This strikes the perfect balance. Beautiful beach, ample sized car park, and just the right amount of amenities. Just able to get some food, and there's lots of variety of foods. You can pretty much get what you want here, and a beautiful beach to sit on all day without all the usual beach shops and all the stuff that ordinarily goes with a lovely beach place. If you enjoyed that, please like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, whilst I'm at it, this is the last one of this little trip. So where are we going to next? I wonder. See you on the next one guys. Bye bye for now.